If you're seeing a SurveyMonkey error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get back into your survey or dashboard as fast as possible. These problems are often caused by a temporary browser glitch, a bad session, cache issues, or even a simple internet connection problem. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Now let's jump right into the first fix. Start by refreshing the page. You can press F5 on your keyboard or click the reload button in your browser. This is the simplest fix, but it often works because many error messages are caused by a temporary loading issue. If the page was interrupted while loading, refreshing can immediately clear the problem and give SurveyMonkey another chance to load correctly. If refreshing doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and that other websites are loading normally. If the internet seems slow or unstable, restart your router or switch to a different network if possible. A weak connection can cause SurveyMonkey pages to fail, freeze, or show an error message even when the website itself is working fine. Now let's move on to one of the most common fixes, clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cache and cookies for your browser. Old stored data can interfere with how SurveyMonkey loads, especially if the site has been updated or your session has expired. After clearing the cache and cookies, fully restart your browser and try opening SurveyMonkey again. In many cases, this is the most effective fix because it removes corrupted or outdated browser data. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to log out and log back in again. Sometimes your session just needs to be refreshed. Sign out of SurveyMonkey completely, close the browser tab, then open the site again and log in with your account. This can fix authentication issues and reconnect your account properly. Another very useful step is to try Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. Open a private window in your browser, go back to SurveyMonkey, and log in again. Incognito Mode disables most cache data and browser extensions, which makes it a great way to test whether the issue is caused by your browser settings, extensions, or stored cookies. If SurveyMonkey works in Incognito Mode, then the issue is usually related to your regular browser profile. If none of that works, try a different browser or even a different device. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Edge or Firefox. If you're on a desktop, try your phone or another computer. This helps you figure out whether the issue is browser-specific or connected to your device. Sometimes one browser has a compatibility issue while another works perfectly. And if you're opening a specific survey rather than the entire website, there's one more important thing to check. Make sure the survey is active, not closed, and still accessible. If the survey owner has disabled it, expired it, or restricted access, you may see an error message even though your browser is working fine, so always confirm that the survey itself is live and available. To quickly recap, the best fixes are refresh the page, check your internet, clear your browser cache and cookies, log out and log back in, try Incognito Mode, and test a different browser or device. If you're dealing with a survey link, also make sure the survey is active and accessible. Most SurveyMonkey error messages can be solved with one of these steps, and usually you'll find the issue before you need any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.